Hey everyone, I'm the Big Waz, and this is a tutorial for quickly installing Natsumi Browser on Floorp. So as you can see, I've got a completely stock version of Floorp. First thing we need to do is get the Natsumi installer from the Natsumi Github repo. Under the releases section, you'll see the latest version as of recording is 6.7.4. I'm going to grab the new Natsumi installer bat file because I'm on Windows. It's downloaded. Let's open it up. I'm going to close Floorp first, allow it to run. I'm on Floorp, so I'm going to hit 2. I'm using default release with the numbers at the end, so I'll use number 2. And we're using the stable branch. Hit yes to confirm all of these warnings. And that's it. Natsumi should be installed. Let's check it out. The onboarding will take you through some preference questions. And you can see we've got some notifications letting us know the Natsumi is installed. Open up your settings to start customizing Natsumi.